me teach you something? You want to listen for me? Okay. Here's a useful lesson for you. Just quit. Just give up. Because in this life, you cannot win. And sure, you can try, but in the end, you're just going to lose big time. Because the world is run by the man. You don't know the man? Well, he's everywhere. In the White House, down the hall, Miss Mullins, she's the man. And the man ruined the ozone layer, and he's burning down the Amazon, and he kidnapped Shamu and put her in a chlorine tank. And there used to be a way to stick it to the man. It was called rock and roll. But guess what? Oh no, the man ruined that too with a little thing called MTV. So don't waste your time trying to make anything that's cool or pure or awesome, because the man's just going to call you a big, fat, washed-up loser and crush your soul. So do all of yourselves a favor and just give up.